Is GH trying to copy off of Y&R's storyline? At least to some degree. 2017 saw the return of Dina Mergeron on The Young and the Restless. The character came back to Genoa City under suspicious circumstances. Not only was the savvy businesswoman selling her beloved company, but she also had a much younger companion named Graham who was hanging around her all the time. Eventually, it was revealed that Dina has Alzheimer's disease. For quite a while, Y&R has been dealing with this storyline with Dina and the Abbott family. Meanwhile, this year saw the return of Mike Corbin on General Hospital. The show wasted no time jumping into its own Alzheimer's storyline with Mike and the Corinthos family. The problem for me is not why these shows would address the Alzheimer's issue. It's an important issue that should be addressed, but the problem for me is the timing. Why would the writers at GH do the same type of story as Y&R at the same time? Of course, on The Young and the Restless, it's a woman, and on General Hospital, it's a man, and then there's some other variations in the stories, but it's still the basic premise on both shows, that these people have Alzheimer's. So, it kind of seems like General Hospital is copying off of Y&R's idea, at least to some degree.